Hi, it's Kozue. Today I'm using these magnetic polishes from CanDo. I think I bought them around 2017. Back then, magnetic gels weren't really a thing yet, so I didn't even know what magnetic nails were. And they stamped so beautifully that I ended up buying the whole set for stamping. In my previous video, I used one of them with the horseshoe magnet from Fingersuit, and the color showed up beautifully. Today, I'm creating nail art using these three magnetic polishes. But there's one problem. The polish feels pretty dried out. Even when I pick it up with a brush, the texture is thick and gloopy. So I decided to thin it with some nail polish thinner. This is the OPI nail lacquer thinner. I wasn't sure if I could use thinner on magnetic polish, but I tried it anyway, just to see. I added 5 or 6 drops, then flipped the bottle and rolled it around. I'm hoping it thinned out a little. Since Christmas is just around the corner, I suddenly felt like doing Christmas nails today. But I didn't feel like taking off my current manicure and starting from scratch. So I'm just going to paint the CanDo magnetic polish right on top. I know, I'm really lazy. I'm just planning to enjoy these for a few days around Christmas. This magnetic polish series is really opaque, so I figured it wouldn't show through the base color. And it really didn't. I'm glad it covered so well. Even though I thinned it, the texture is still thick and hard to apply. I'm not sure if this is okay. It looks a bit patchy, doesn't it? Since it was hard to apply, I took the magnet away for a moment and painted just the edges like this. I put my finger back into the magnet and waited for about 30 seconds. I think it'll look even better with a second coat. The particles look a bit clumped together, so this is how it looks for now. I'm not sure if this is okay. I'm applying Mystic Rose on my pinky. The blue one I used earlier is called Night Blue, but this Mystic Rose has a looser texture, so it's much easier to apply. Wow, it's so beautiful! I love this glow. I'm applying forest green on my ring finger. I suddenly got the idea to flip the magnet upside down, but it doesn't seem to create any special pattern. Should I add another coat on this finger? I'm not sure. Let me think for a moment. I'm applying Mystic Rose again on my middle and index fingers. Oh, it goes on so smoothly. How lovely! One coat looks good enough for the middle and index fingers. Wow, it's beautiful! It feels mature, but still so gorgeous. I'm applying the second coat on my thumb. I didn't want any streaks, so I tried my best to apply it carefully. Oh, it's so beautiful! It has such a mysterious vibe. Is it just me, or does it look like a kingfisher's colors? It's incredibly beautiful. I might even be able to make a Labuta-style flying stone nail design with this. Here it is, the stamper that lets you change the size of the pattern. I bought it on Temu. I'm pushing the screw all the way up to stretch the silicone part until it's nice and firm. I bought this plate on Temu too. It's such a Christmas-themed plate. This super pigmented stamping polish is from Walmart in Hawaii. And this scraper came as a freebie or something, I don't even remember what. After transferring the design onto the stamper, I pop off the top part. That makes the design shrink by about 15%. This plate is from Temu too, and I'm using it for the first time today. I'm excited. This square stamper is also from Temu, and it might have some dust on it, so I'm cleaning it with washi tape. This plate is another Temu find, and the stamping polish is from Temu as well. I'll stamp this moon motif. What's this? It's amazing! I'm applying Bon Pretty non-smudge top coat oil. It's getting pretty stringy, probably because there isn't much left. So for the other fingers, I'll use a different method to prevent smudging. This no-smudge top coat oil shouldn't melt the nail polish, so it should be fine, but just in case, I'll keep my finger inside the magnet. I bought this top coat on Temu as well. It doesn't have to be this one, but it doesn't bead up on the stamper, so I'm using it. When applied directly onto the stamper like this, most other top coats tend to bead up, so I'll just count to 20 in my head. 1, 2, 3. Once I finish counting to 20, I press it onto the stamp design. This helps prevent the pattern from smudging when I put the top coat on. I want to cover the whole nail on my middle finger, so this time I'm using 2 stampers. I'll count to 20. Now I'll use a pink stamper to stamp the left side of the nail. Next, I'll use a blue stamper to stamp the right side. Doing this lets me cover the entire nail. And just in case, I place my finger inside the magnet again. This is a Wonder Nail top coat. Since I already applied the non-smudge top coat oil, it should be fine, but just in case, I place my finger inside the magnet again. I'm applying the Wonder Nail top coat to all the other fingers as well. And I realized something. Even if the magnetic polish has a few streaks, if you apply a generous layer of top coat and let it dry inside the magnet, the particles settle beautifully. Look at this. It's so pretty. I also let this finger dry inside the magnet when applying the top coat. Well, dry? I just leave it in the magnet for about 30 seconds. Thanks to stamping the top coat first, I can apply a thick layer like this and look, no smudging at all. Great! I'm finishing with a Wonder Nail top coat on the index finger. I usually apply 2 layers of top coat, but since I'm planning to remove this in 3 or 4 days, I'm only doing 1 layer this time. And it's done. This time I just wanted to use the CanDo magnetic art polish. That impulse alone basically decided the whole design. I didn't really plan the look, but what do you think? The thumb turned out gorgeous. I only stamped a little on my right hand, and for the Christmas tree on my left finger, I used a light green stamping polish. but it kind of turned into a camouflage nail. Depending on the angle, the Christmas tree almost disappears. On the thumb, I stamped just one snowflake in light pink. The CanDo magnetic art polish might still be available in some stores. The way the particles move with the magnet is amazing. It's such a high potential polish. Look at this. The polish bottle moves with the magnet. How much metal is in here? I wonder if people with metal allergies might react to it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!